Hey guys, it's Claris. Today I'm collabing with Cali from Threesixty Nails. I'm going to show you 5 easy nail art designs for back to school. So let's get right into it. Don't forget to check out the video Cali posted on her channel. I'll have a link for her socials as well below. But now let's get right into the designs. First, I'm going to be removing my old nail polish. These nails are actually from my favorite glitter polishes video, which was also a collab with Cali, and I have that posted on my channel. Alright, so under all my designs, I'm going to be using my UNT peel off base coat so I can easily remove this manicure when I'm done. So for this first one, it is a newspaper design. I'm first going to paint the nail a base of a light pink color. Now what you have to do is find some newspaper. One with letters is best, and I'm just going to use some scissors and just cut out a section. Make sure the paper is big enough to cover your nail. Now I'm going to grab some alcohol. I'm just going to dip a Q-tip in. Put the piece of newspaper with the letters facing down, while using the alcohol to tap it on. I've tried this transfer method using acetone and it just doesn't seem to work as well. And within seconds you can lift it up and see the letters transferred onto the nail. Isn't that cool? Now I'm just going to use some pink and white nail polish to paint on a simple rose to decorate this nail. I'm also going to add some simple leaves. And there it is. This design is so cute and pretty. So for this next design, it's a simple pencil look. Just grab a yellow nail polish and paint your whole nail yellow. Now you need to grab a metallic silver, and in the center, paint a line straight across the nail. Then I'm going to grab this dusty rose pink and apply it to the rest of the tip of the nail. And that's it! Super easy! Here's a simple apple look to try. First I'm going to paint my nail a base of white. Next I'm going to grab a red nail polish and use a large dotting tool. Here I'm using one I actually did from my hack video a while ago. And use that to form red apples all around the nail. They don't have to be perfectly a circle. Try to make ones of all different sizes. When that dries, I'm going to grab some black nail polish and using a thin detailed brush, I'm going to paint on some simple little stems. And that's it! So cute and simple. This is a cute crayon look. First you need to grab a glitter nail polish. Here I'm using a hollow. You can use any color you'd like, but I'm using blue. Then I'm going to grab a black nail polish and paint a rectangular color block across, slightly up the nail. Next you're going to use the same color of nail polish that you used for the base of the nail and put down some onto a mat. I'm then going to pick up some with my fine brush and apply it in a squiggly shape over the black part of the nail to create that signature crayon look. And there it is, super simple but looks so cool. For this design, we're going to recreate a sheet of lined paper on our nails. First, paint your nail a base of white. Next, I'm going to grab a light blue color, and using a fine liner brush, I'm going to create stripes across the nail horizontally. Like I did, you can put liquid latex around the nail for cleanup. Then using some red nail polish, I'm going to paint a vertical line down one edge of the nail. Now if you'd like, you could totally leave your piece of paper plain. I'm though going to decorate it with a little sticker I got from my Born Pretty Kuncat kit. And I went ahead and added a little heart too. And there you have it, a super easy paper nail design. Finally, I'm adding top coat to all of my designs to seal and protect the design. And there are the completed designs. Aside for a little bit of smudging at the end, I think these all turned out great. Feel free to comment below which of these designs you like the best. And don't forget to hop over to Cali's channel and check out her video. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I post nail videos like this every Wednesday. Well, except for the occasional odd exception like today. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and watching me do my nails. I hope you like these designs I created and have a magical day.